I did these examples for students before they started their practice, and so I wanted to just make a video for the students that were absent. I reminded them that you should not divide and get decimals. You should get x squared alone. Don't forget your plus or minus in your final answer. And you cannot have a negative under the radical for now. If you do, the answer is no real solution. So here's some more examples. You're welcome to add these to your notes paper. This year in 2022, that notes paper is yellow. It's the notes for this section that we are working on right now. Okay, so I am going to get x squared alone by adding 5 first. 8x squared will equal -7. Divide by 8. X squared would equal -7/8. For now, I cannot have a negative, so my answer is no real solution. That's the answer to this first one. Then for this one, I'm going to subtract 10. 49x squared would equal 16. I'm going to divide by 49, and that won't divide, and it won't reduce, so I'm going to leave it as it is. 16/49. I'm going to take the square root of both sides. X is going to equal plus or minus. I want to remember that I should look at these separately. I should simplify if I need to, or if they're perfect squares, I should write those out as their perfect square. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 49 is 7. So that's either the answer, or it can be written this way. Either one is acceptable. Then for this one, I'm going to add 5. 3x squared will equal 27. Divide by 3. X squared will equal 9. Take the square root. X will equal plus or minus 3. And so I can either write it like that, or I can write it like this. Whoa, like my 3? Sorry about that. +3. And then for my last one, I'm going to subtract 3. -5x squared would equal -90. Divide by -5. X squared will equal, I think that's 18. Let me make sure. Yes. And then I'm going to take the square root of both sides. Sorry about my camera work. I'm struggling to hold up my phone. So x will equal plus or minus. There's a perfect square in there, 9. And then x will equal plus or minus 3 times the square root of 2. That's the answer, or you can write it this way: -3 square root of 2, +3 square root of 2. Hope that helps. Have a wonderful day.